أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وبه نستعين وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين أما بعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته أهلا وسهلا
عليكم.
ومرحبا بكم إلى درس جديد من دروس اللغة العربية بين يديك. أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بكم means welcome إلى درس جديد, so a new lesson من دروس اللغة العربية بين يديك. In our Arabic, at your fingertips, like you said, Arabic العربية بين يديك means Arabic within your reach, at your fingertips. That's the name of the book. That's the translation. دعونا نراجع ما درسنا الأسبوع الماضي. So let us revise quickly what we treated last week before we move on to today's topic. This is a summary of what we started by بدأنا بالحوار الأول, with the first conversation. حوار means conversation. حوار means conversation. So we started with this الحوار الأول, the first conversation. الحوار. We said Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum salam. Ismi Khalid, masmuka. So we said you say masmuka, not ma ismuka. Okay? Masmuka, not ma ismuka. Masmuka. Then we went on. Then we say bi khairin, not bil khairi. Bi khairin. If someone say kayfa haluka, ماذا تقول? تقول bi khairin walhamdulillah. Bi khairin walhamdulillah. And you say wa kayfa haluka anta? Walhamdulillah. Then for the ladies, the difference is just masmuki. Instead of saying masmuka, you say masmuki. Kayfa haluki. Kayfa haluki anti. Then you say bikhairin walhamdulillah. Bikhairin walhamdulillah. وبعد ذلك أخذنا الحوار الثالث. We also took the third conversation. Assalamu alaikum min aina anta. So where are you from? Min aina. I say min aina, where are you from? Min aina anta, ana min Pakistan. So we mentioned that there's a difference between balad and the citizen. Okay, balad and the citizen. So Muatin is the citizen. So if I'm from Nigeria and I am Nigerian, or I'm a Nigerian, N with an N. So the same thing in Arabic, you have that yaw at the end of the country. So if you look at this is Pakistan. But if you look at the next, this one, this has a ya, Pakistani. So that ya signifies the citizen. Ana Pakistaniyun, okay? Ana min Pakistan. So I'm from Pakistan, but I am Pakistaniyun. So a lot of emphasis was laid on that. Then wama jinsiyatuka. So it's another vocabulary we went with last week. If anyone asks you, ma jinsiyatuka, that should not sound strange. Ma jinsiyatuka is asking about your nationality. Then you tell him, I'm a Nigerian. I'm a Nigerian, okay? Not I'm from Nigeria. There's a difference between where are you from and what is your nationality. Where are you from is min aina anta, min aina anta. But if I ask, ma jinsiyatuka, what is your nationality? Okay, I'm a Nigerian, I'm British, and so on. So this is min aina anti for a lady, min aina anti. Wama jinsiyatu ki instead of jinsiyatuka. So for a lady, we use ki, wama jinsiyatu ki instead of wama jinsiyatuka. Then we said ahlan wa sahlan means welcome. And we said literally ahlan means you are a member of the family. Literally, it means you are a member of the family. Wa sahlan, take it easy. So in actual fact, when we meet visitors or someone is approaching, and I want to tell the person that don't worry, you are already a member of the family. You are most welcome. So that is the meaning of ahlan wa sahlan. Don't worry, you are already a member of the family. This is a stranger. Ahlan, you are a member of the family. Wa sahlan, take it easy. Don't rush. So, but it has become to be known as ahlan wa sahlan means welcome simply. Okay. Then we go to hada akhi. So this is my brother. Akhi is brother. Who are mudarris. Mudarris is a teacher. We took the vocabulary last week. Muhandis is another vocabulary we had. Muhandis means engineer. Okay. Then we also talked about the possessive ya. Sadiqi, akhi, sadiqi, the ya. just like the Nigerian, Sadiqi, my, okay? Sadiqi, my friend. Akhi, my brother, okay? Ukhti, my sister. Ukhti, my sister. Sadiqati, my friend. Okay, hadhihi, sadiqati. So we also talked about the usage of the hadha and hadhi. Hadha is used for the male, hadhihi is used for the female. Okay, then we identify some of this. Muhandis, taliba. Taliba is a female student. Tabiba is a female doctor. Taliba will always have the ta. Muhandis, engineer. Akhun, a brother. Ukhtun, a sister. Sadiqun, a brother, a friend. Sadiqatun, a female friend. Ana, I. Ana, I, for male and female, the same. Anta, you. Anti, you. Hada, this. Hadihi, this. The difference is this is masculine, this is feminine. Hada, this. Hadihi, feminine. Huwa, he or she. And these are different countries we saw. So to distinguish between the country and the citizen. Country is Pakistan. Someone from Pakistan is what? Pakistaniyun. Turkey is a country, and someone from Turkey is Turkiyatun, a lady. Misru is Egypt. Misriyun is someone from Egypt, an Egyptian. Syria is Syria. Someone from Syria is called Suriyatun, a lady. If a man is called Suriyun. بعد ذلك أخذنا هذا التدريب الأول. We took this exercise. وهذا أيضا التدريب الثاني وهذا مفردات إضافية. We started with واحد اثنان ثلاثة أربعة خمسة. So we learned this last week. So we move on to this again. Then we also had this tadrib. Hal anta Pakistani. So one feature of this book is that it lays so much, it's quite repetitive and it's intentional. So it repeats throughout the 6 chapters until those vocabularies become part of you. Okay, it's one of the amazing features of the book. So they repeat over and over until, in different ways actually, but most of the words are repetitive so that you can consciously have a grasp of the full grasp of the words. So, ana Pakistaniyun, hal anta Pakistaniyun, are you a Pakistani? Na'am, ana Pakistaniyun, I'm a Pakistani. So we had all this. Turkiyun, Turkiyatun, Misru, Misriyun. So we had all this. Then we then had this as well. Huwa, Hiya, Khalid, Khalil, Khadija. We saw some names and we're able to use them in sentences. Ana Turkiyun, ana min Turkiya. I'm a Turkish and I'm from Turkey. Okay, so we tried to do the same for all these countries before we went on to the summary. Mulakhas at-tarakib. So we went on to the summary of the arrangements. So here we had ana. So we said that we can use this. I hope you practice this at home. So ana, you can use ana for any of this category, any of this here. Okay, you can use the ana for any of them. So you can say ana talibun, ana mudarrisun, ana tabibun, ana misriyun, ana turkiyun, ana suriyun. And you can as well say anta talibun, anta mudarrisun, anta tabib, anta misriyun, and so on. Then the min aina, min aina means where are you from? Okay. So but who you talk to is dependent on whatever you choose. Min aina means where, from where, min from, aina where, min from, aina where. So if you say min aina anta, where are you from? Min aina anti, where are you from? But what signifies who you are talking to is this vowel sound. Anta is masculine, anti is feminine. Min aina anta, min aina anti, where are you from? Okay. Huwa, here. Min aina huwa, where is he from? Min aina here, where is she from? Min aina ana, where am I from? So it can make sense. It depends on the circumstance. So then we have anta, hal anta, are you? Hal means are you? Hal as in A-R-E in English. A-R-E. Anta, you, a masculine. Al anti, a female. Al anta Pakistaniyun, are you a Pakistani? Al anta Turkiyun, are you a Turkish or are you Turkish? Al-anta Misriyun, are you an Egyptian? Al-anta Suriyun, and so on. So you have the masculine up here, and you have the feminine below. Same with this, ana, anti, here, ana, anta, anti, huwa, here. So I hope you practiced all this last week. Now, so we move on, inshallah, to today's class, Ad-Darsul Jadid. So here, al-yawm, inshallah, ندرس al-aswat wa fahm al-masmu'. We are going to learn al-aswat, sounds, okay, sounds, al-aswat wa fahm al-masmu', and understanding what is being said. So fahm al-masmu' means comprehension, okay? So when someone says something, how well can you understand? Like we mentioned, in being literate in Arabic also includes being able to listen and understand. So awalan, the first one, al-aswat kha. So we are starting with kha, letter kha. Kha is one of the most difficult alphabets in Arabic. Kha, kha, kha. As if you want to produce some phlegm. Kha, 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 kha. Quite a difficult one. So not ha, not our ka. Kha, okay? So how do we pronounce this? التدريب الأول استمع وعيد. استمع مرة أخرى يعني استمع, listen, وأعيد, repeat. Okay, without unmuting your mic, please. If you have your mic on mute, please mute so that you do not disrupt the class, please. So mute your mic, please. So, but when I pronounce or recite, try to do same at your end. So, and please talk as loud as you can. Okay, talk as loud as you can. It will definitely assist you. Okay. Now we have Kha. For the first one, we have Khalid. I guess some mics are still. Please unmute your mic. If I have to do that, it will take me a few seconds. Mute. Yeah. Thank you. I guess everyone is muted now. So the first one is Khalidun. Khalidun. So you pronounce after me there. Khalidun. Khalidun.
Khalidun.
You still have your mic. Please, you have your mic. You have your mic on. Please check. Unmute your mic. I'm trying to unmute, and some of you are still bringing up the mic. Please unmute, else you'll be disrupting the class. Subhanallah.
Khalidun.
Ustaz, you're trying to tell us to mute our mic, so just tell them to mute. You said unmute, so they're actually unmuting.
I said mute. Your mic is on mute. If your mic is on mute, then mute it.
Okay. Now.
Khalidun. 1 minute.
Can you please mute your speaker so that we can go ahead?
I think I have to enforce that. That has been enforced. So apologies, I've enforced that actually. Okay, so we have Khalidun, okay? Then we have Khalil, Khalil. Then Khawla. Then we have Khadija. It might be uncomfortable initially, but over time you master it. So just as if you want to produce some phlegm, like I mentioned, Khadija, then Bikhairin, Khalidun, Khalilun, Khawla, Khadija, Bikhairin. Okay? Then Athani, At-Tadrib Athani, Istami' wa'id, listen and repeat. Istami' wa'id. So we have a difference between ka and kha. So this is ka as in K-A in English, ka, okay? Ka, kaf, okay? Kaf. Then we have kha, the same kha we saw earlier, Khalid. So we have kaf and kha. So we have kha, kaf, okay? Kaf, K-A, gives you the sound K-A, kaf. Then here you have kha. There's a difference. So for here, the first word is carro. 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 Then the next is carro. So there's a difference. So when you're speaking Arabic and you say carro and you meant to say carro, you'll be misunderstood. So carro is different from carro. Carro. Then you have kabirun. Okay, kabirun. You have the sound kabirun. And you have what? Khabirun. Khabirun. Then we have kusufun. Kusufun. Then we have khusufun. Khusufun. Then we have kana. Then we have khana. The second is khana, the opposite, khana. Kana, khana. Then we have kawiya. Kawiya. Then we have khawiya. Kawiya. Marratan ukhra means again, once again. Karra. Kharra. Kabirun. Khabirun. Khusufun. Kana. Khana. Kawiya. Khawiya. نعم. ننتقل إلى المجموعة الثانية. To the second group. We have nakira. Excuse me. We have nakira. Here we have nakhira. Makaro. Makhara. Kha. Makaro. Makhara. Fikakun. Fikakun. Fikhakun. Kha. Nakirun. Nakhirun. Mukarramun. Mukharramun. Then here we have fakun. Then here we have fakhun. Then we have masaka. Masakha. Saka. Sakha. Maslukun. Ku. Then maslukhun. Nasaka. Then you have nasakha. First is nasaka, then the next is nasakha. I want just one person or two to go through this. If you want to participate, like I said, please raise your hands. Signify by raising your hand. So we have let's have Inshallah Miftah.
No.
تفضل.
Karu.
Carro.
خير كارو كارو خير خبير كبير خبير ق- قفص قصف
كسوف.
خصف كسوف كسوف خسوف كان خان قوي قوي
كاوي.
قوي
كاوي.
كاوية كاوية خاوية نكير
نكرة.
نخير نكر نكر نخير
Good.
مكارو مخر
مكرة. مخرة.
مكارو مخر فكان
فكاك.
فكاك فخاه
إخاخ.
نخير فخاك نخير نخير
نكير.
نكير مكر
نخير.
مخر
نكير. نخير.
نكير نخير مكر مخر
مكرم.
مكارم مكارم مخارم فاكا فاخي مساكا مساخو ساكا ساخو مخ مسلون
مسلوك.
مسلوك مسلوخ
مسلوك.
نساكا
مسلوك. مسلوك.
مسلوك مسلوخ نساكا نسخ
Musafa Jamil Jiddan. That was a good one. Now let's have Adeyemi Khaosara. Now, Tafadoli.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
خارو خارو خبير خبير كسو كسف
Kusufu. Kusufu.
خسوف كان خان كويس
Kawiya.
كويس
Kawiya.
كاوية خاوية نخر نخر مكر
Nokiro.
نخير
Nokiro.
نخير نكر نخر مكر
Nokiro. Nokhiro. Nokiro. Nokhiro. Nokiro. Nokhiro. Kha, and Ka. First one is Ka.
نكر.
The next is Kha.
Okay. نكر نكر مكر مخر فكاك فقاق نكر
Nokirun.
نكر نخير
Yes.
نخير نخير مخار
Mukarram. Mukarramun. Muka.
مخار
Muka. The first is Muka. Mukarramun.
مكرم مكرم مخارم
Good.
مخرم فاك 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 فاق مثك مثق ساك ساق مسوخ مسوخ
مسلوك مسلوك
مسلوك مسلوخ نسك نسق نسق
مساق جميل جدا بارك
نعم.
الله فيك. So ننتقل إلى التدريب الثالث. ننتقل means we move. ننتقل we move إلى التدريب الثالث, to the third drill. So here we have verses of the Quran. So like we said in the first class, in the introductory class, that the whole essence of learning Arabic is to understand your religion better, to understand the sources, the primary sources of the deen, and that is the Quran and the books of Sunnah. Okay, so in the book, some of the things learned will be used in some of the verses of the Quran and some hadith as we progress. So the kha we have just learned, we want to see how to pronounce it when we read the Quran. So here we have the first verse. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ولا لآخرة ولا لآخرة خير لك من الأولى. ولا لآخرة خير لك من الأولى. You can see it's not ولا لآخرة. It's not ولا لآخرة خير لك. ولا لآخرة خير لك من الأولى. خير لك خير لك. ولا لآخرة خير لك من الأولى. So when you recite that, that is how to recite the Quran. Kha must sound, okay? Now, الخبيثات للخبيثين والخبيثون للخبيثات. خبيثات خبيثات للخبيثين والخبيثون للخبيثات. Okay, in Surah An-Nur, khabith. Then Allah says in Surah Maryam, فخلف من بعدهم خلف أضاعوا الصلاة واتبعوا الشهوات. فخلف خلف من بعدهم خلف خ. So it's not فحلف من بينهم حلف فخلف, and it's not ka. It is not فكلف من بعدهم خلف خ. So you have no choice but to learn the kha if you want to recite the Quran very well. And if you put ka in the place of kha, it distorts the meaning completely. It obliterates the meaning completely. So it's no longer the Quran. Like we have been told in Ulumul Quran, if you replace a word in the Quran with another word, it obliterates the entire Quran. And if you also change a letter from the Quran, then it's no longer the Quran. Okay? The Quran has been preserved for many years the way it is, and it will continue to the day of judgment. So nothing will be changed in it. So when you recite, you have to recite with the exact pronunciation. So فَخَلَفَ مِنْ بَعْدِهِمْ خَلْفٌ أَضَاعُوا الصَّلَاةَ. Then the next one says, فَعْبُدِ اللَّهَ مُخْلِصًا لَهُ الدِّينَ. فَعْبُدِ اللَّهَ مُخْلِصًا, not muk, not ka, not kaf but kha. مُخْلِصًا لَهُ الدِّينَ. يَخْلُقُكُمْ. So the next one, يَخْلُقُكُمْ. Okay? Kha. يخلقكم في بطون أمهاتكم خلقا من بعد خلق. خلقا من بعد خلق. So يخلقكم في بطون أمهاتكم خلقا من بعد خلق. So we have ومن يبخل فإنما يبخل عن نفسه. ومن يبخل فإنما يبخل عن نفسه. خشعا أبصارهم. خشعا أبصارهم يخرجون من الأجداث كأنهم جراد منتشرة. That is Surah Al-Qamar now. خشعا أبصارهم يخرجون من الأجداث كأنهم جراد منتشر. So we have والله لا يحب كل مختال فخور الذين يبخلون ويأمرون الناس بالبخل. Okay, والله لا يحب كل مختال فخور الذين يبخلون ويأمرون الناس بالبخل. So مرة أخرى. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى. الخبيثات للخبيثين والخبيثون للخبيثات. فخلف من بعدهم خلف أضاعوا الصلاة فاعبد الله مخلصا له الدين. يخلقكم في بطون أمهاتكم خلقا من بعد خلق. ومن يبخل فإنما يبخل عن نفسه. خش عن أبصارهم يخرجون من الأجداث كأنهم جراد منتشر. والله لا يحب كل مختال فخور. والله لا يحب كل مختال فخور. الذين يبخلون ويأمرون الناس بالبخل. So those are the verses, so you can practice them as much as you can. Then we have ثانيا فهم المسموع. فهم المسموع. ثانيا فهم المسموع. So here, what is to be tested is your understanding. So I guess you have your textbook too. So I'm going to read out a few things quickly, and you're going to mark the correct box. So the instruction says, استمع, listen. استمع, listen. ثم دع, then place. ثم دع, then place. علامة الصحيح, this mark. This mark. في المربع المناسب, in the right box. So we have al-awwal, the first one. So we have the first question would be هذا أخي. So which of the boxes signifies هذا أخي? If you look at the boxes, one. Let me start with the first, which is Tabib. Between this and this, which one is the Tabib? So you can mark it in your book. Which one is the Tabib? I'm sure you know the meaning of Tabib, so pick the Tabib in that box. Then the next one is Muhandis. Between this and this, who is the Muhandis? Man huwa al-Muhandis? الثالث طبيبة. من هي الطبيبة؟ والرابع من هو مدرس؟ الخامس من هو مهندس؟ والسادس من هي الطالبة بين هاتين الصورتين. Now this is simple. So the first one, I'm going to solve it so you check if you get it correctly. So the first one, Tabib. This is the correct one. Sahih. Wathani. Muhandis. هذا هو المهندس. والثالث طبيبة. هي طبيبة. الرابع مدرس. This is the correct one. الخامس مهندس. This is the correct one. السادس طالبة. هذه هي الطالبة. So this is, so you can mark yourself right or wrong. So ننتقل إلى التالي. So استمع, listen, ثم دع, then place علامة, this sign, في المربع المناسب. استعمل ثم ضع علامة صحيحة في المربع المناسب. Okay. Then we have here هذا أخي بين هذا وهذا. Which one says هذا أخي؟ أنت مدرس. أنت مدرس بين هذا وهذا. أنت مدرس. الثالث أنا مهندسة. أنا مهندسة. الرابع هو صديقي. هو صديقي. الخامس هي طالبة. هي طالبة. والسادس هذه صديقتي. هذه صديقتي. So the answers are the first one هذا أخي. صحيح. والثاني أنت مدرس. أنت مدرس because it's masculine. أنت مدرس masculine. أنت مدرس. Then الثالث أنا مهندسة. هذا صحيح. الرابع هو صديقي. Yes. الخامس هي طالبة. Yes. والسادس هذه صديقتي. Yes. So you can mark yourself right or wrong. Now ننتقل إلى التدريب الثالث. Now, so once again, listen. Now, so what we are going to do is to have very simple conversation. استمع. Listen first. And please pay attention. All what we are doing now, you're about to use them. You'll be using them shortly. Okay, you'll be using them in your conversation shortly, very shortly. So pay attention. So استمع, listen, ثم دع. Then place a رقم number في المربع المناسب. Okay, so you are going to identify the conversation I'm having. You're going to identify, I'm going to have conversation that talks to any of these four. Okay, not sequentially. I'm going to just pick a conversation out of these four. Between this first one, we have ladies talking. The second one, we have two men talking. And here we have two men in suits, the third one talking. And the fourth one, we have two ladies from Syria talking. So I'm going to pick any of these four conversations. So listen carefully and identify the people I'm talking about or the conversation they're having. So I'm going to pretend to be those people in the pictures. Now, أولاً من أين أنت؟ عفواً من أين أنت؟ أنا من سوريا. هل أنت سورية؟ نعم أنا سورية. In your book, mark the conversation I've just had. Who and who are having this conversation? Is this the first group, second group, third group, or fourth group? I'm sure you have done that. That is fast. So mark that. Then the second. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. Ismi Muhammad. Masmuka. Ismi Ali. So I've taken a conversation between these four. So mark the one you think is right. Now the third conversation. كيف حالك؟ بخير والحمد لله. وكيف حالك أنت؟ بخير والحمد لله. So pick the one I've just had. Then the last one, we have four groups. So the fourth conversation. هذا أختي. هي طالبة. أهلا وسهلا. هذه صديقتي. هي طبيبة. أهلا وسهلا. So which one? Now to solve the problem quickly, the first one مرة أخرى. It says من أين أنت؟ أنا من سوريا. هل أنت سورية؟ نعم أنا سورية. So it is this one. That's the first conversation. We have Suria here, and we said min aina anti. We said we use anti for a female. We said min aina anti. Then she says ana min Suria. Al anti suriyatun. Then she says naam ana suriyatun. So it is the first one. This fourth one, that's the first conversation. Then the next one, assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam. Ismi Muhammad, masmuka, ismi Ali. Definitely is this second one. Okay, they are meeting for the first time. As you can see, they are shaking hands. So then the third, كيف حالك بخير والحمد لله وكيف حالك بخير الحمد لله والحمد لله. This is the third conversation. Then the fourth, هذا أختي هي طالبة. أهلا وسهلا. هذه صديقتي هي طبيبة. أهلا وسهلا. So it is this fourth. Okay. Now, I hope you got them correctly. And if you didn't, don't worry. Now, nantakilu ila tadrib rabi. Nantakilu means again, we move to the fourth lesson. Nantakilu ila tadrib rabi, to the fourth drill exercise. Okay? It says istami', listen, ila sual, to the question. Thumma da'a rakma, then place a rakma, number, fil murabba'i munasib, number in the murabba'i, the box, appropriate box. So rakma means number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, what does the conversation say? Then it says the first one. Al hadha talibun. Al hadha talibun. Al hadha talibun. So it's asking a question. Whether the question is right or wrong, it's asking, is this a student? Which one among these pictures is related to studies at all? Definitely it is this one. Alanta talibun, are you a student? Then you say la, no, ana mudarrisun, I'm a teacher. Okay, but don't worry about the responses now. Let's listen and test our listening ability. Then the next one says, Al anta misriyun. Al anta misriyun. So which one among these pictures tells Al anta misriyun? Definitely is this sixth one. Al anta misriyun. Then the next says, Al hadha turkiyun. Al hadha turkiyun. Al hadha turkiyun. It is this. Then the next says, Al hadhihi muhandisatun. Al hadhihi muhandisatun. Is this an engineer? La, this is not an engineer, but a doctor. La. Hadhihi tabibatun. So this is the person they are referring to. Then the next is Min aina anta. Where are you from? Min aina anta. Min aina anti afwan. So we have Ana min Pakistan. Ana min Pakistan. Or Ana min Syria. It could be this. Min aina anti. If it is Min aina anta, then it is this. Ana min Syria. Then if you have Al anti Pakistaniya, then we have this lady. Naam. Ana Pakistaniya. So this is this simple. Then we have simple conversations. الدرس الخامس التدريب الأول تبادل الحوار. تبادل means exchange. الحوار conversation. Exchange the conversation. مع زميلك. زميل means your peer. Okay, your classmate. كما في المثال, just like you have here. So we are going to have a very simple conversation. Now I'm going to pair you. So you have a very simple one. So you have 3 words. You are going to have this conversation based on these 3 words. First is Fatima. Misriyatun, Misru. So you know these vocabularies and you want to communicate in Arabic. How do you use these three? Ismi Fatima. Okay, I've used the Fatima here. Ana Misriyatun. I've used the Misriya here. Ana min Misru. Ana min Misra. I'm from Egypt. Ismi Fatimatu. Ana Misriyatun. Ana min Misra. Ahlan wa sahlan. So for the first person, you are having this conversation. You are saying this 1 and 2. So the last person, the person you are conversing with, will only say Ahlan wa sahlan. So I'm going to have just 2 people here. So I'm going to have let's have Shehu Bello. Then we have I don't know who iPhone is. This is confusing. Then let's have whoever the iPhone is. The Surah. Shehu Bello Al-Anta Mana. Are you with us?
I'm with you.
So you talk about yourself. It's me, Fatima. Use this Fatima first, Misriya, then Misru, and let the iPhone says Ahlan wa Sahlan. Now, Bisura.
But it's me, Fatima. Ana Misriya.
Ana min Misra. It remains 1.
Ana Misriya.
You are saying 3
Ahlan wa sahlan.
This is what you are saying.
Sorry?
For the person, for Shehu Bello, you are saying the highlighted ones. Ismi Fatima, Ana Misriyatun, Ana min Misra. You are saying these 3 sentences or phrases.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ismi Fatima, Ana Misriya, Ana min Misri.
Allah wasal.
So do the same.
Allah wasalam.
So do the same with Mahmoud, Turkiya now.
Ismi Mahmoud, Ana Turkiya.
Ana Turkiyun. Ana Turkiyun. For a masculine, it will be
Ana Turkiyu. Ana Turkiyu. Ismi
Ana min Turkiya.
Ismi Khadi.
Okay. It remains 1. You use Mahmoud
Turkiya.
You use Mahmoud. You use Turkiyun, then you use Turkiya. So you are using 3 words to form your sentence to speak.
So, Ismi Mahmoud, Turkiyu.
Ana Turkiyun.
Ana Turkiyun. Then I think there's Ana. You say I'm using 3 words. The other one is the one is Turkiyu. One is Turkiya. I'm trying to see when I'll use it to use them differently.
Go back to the example. Look up here again, and everybody try to pay attention. Look at the example again. Ismi Fatima. My name is Fatima. Now I'm going to use your name so that you can relate with it now. Ismi Shehu. Ana Nigeriyun. Ana min Nigeria. So those are the 3 things you're saying. So like we said, Nigeriyun means you are a Nigerian. And you are from Nigeria is Ana min Nigeria, just like Ana min Misra. Okay? Now, try this again with Fatima.
Ismi Fatima, Ana Misriya, Ana min Misri. Min Misri.
Min Misra.
أنا من مصر.
نعم.
Then I have اسمي محمود. أنا مصري.
أنت تركي هنا. أنت تركي.
أنا من تركيا.
تركي. say تركي.
تركي.
تركي. أنا تركي.
أنا تركي.
أنا تركي. أنا من تركيا. أنا من تركيا. So, ما معنى أنا من تركيا? What's the meaning? ما معنى أنا من تركيا? Say it in English. If I say أنا من تركيا, what is the meaning?
Are you from Turkey?
لا. لو قلت أنا من نيجيريا. أنا من نيجيريا. I am from Nigeria. No, I am from Nigeria. أنا من Nigeria. I'm from Nigeria. Then if I say أنا Nigerian, what does that mean in English? أنا Nigerian.
Are you a citizen of Nigeria?
لا. I say أنا Nigerian. I am in Nigerian. أنا I. أنا I am in Nigerian. أنا Nigerian. I am in Nigerian. أنا من Nigeria. I'm from Nigeria. أنا Nigerian. I'm in Nigerian. أنا من Nigeria. I'm from Nigeria. أنا Nigerian. I'm in Nigerian.
Okay.
أنا من Nigeria. I'm from Nigeria. Okay, this is the difference. Okay. If you check these two statements, look at these two statements, this one and this. The difference is this min. Ana min. Min means from. Okay, ana min, I am from. Yes. Ana, I. You can say ana, I. But the difference is that this is min, from, and that is the difference. Ana min Nigeria. Ana min Singapore. Ana min China. Ana min Australia. I am from Australia. Okay, but Ana Nigerian. If I say Ana Nigerian, I am in Nigerian. Is it clear now?
Yes.
So have the conversation with Fatima again. Now.
Ismi Fatima. Ana min Misri. Ana min Misriya. Ana min Misri.
Ana Misriyatun. Ana min Misri.
Misri.
Now, bin Mahmoud.
Ana Misri. Now, Ismi Mahmoud. Ana Turkiya. Turkiyu. Ana min Turkiya.
Jamil, that's good. Very good. Now try with Khadija. Huna, Khadija. Ismi Khadija now.
Ismi Khadija. Ana Suriya. Ana min Suriya.
Jamil Jiddan. Very good. Try with Ali. Ali, this old man, Ali.
Ismi Aliyu. Ana
Pakistani.
Pakistani. Ana. I'm coming. Ismi Aliyu. Ana Pakistani. You. Ana min Pakistan.
Jamil Jiddan. That's very good. Then try Ahmad.
Ismi Ahmad. Ana Misriyu. Ana min Misri.
Ana min Misra. Now tell us. Now you are Shehu. Now use your name. Tell us your name. Tell us your nationality.
Ismi Shehu.
I'm asking you 3 questions in English and you reply in Arabic. Tell us your name. Tell us your nationality, and tell us where you are from, your country. Now.
Ismi Shehu. Ana Nigeria. Ana min Nigeria.
So what you have just told us, let me translate it to you.
Nigerian.
You have told us that your name is
Ismi Shehu. Ana Nigerian. Yes. Ana min Misri, Nigeria.
Jamil Jiddan. So you have told us your
Ana
name.
min Nigeria.
Jamil Jiddan, that's good. So you've told us your name, where you are from, your nationality, and where you are from. Jamil Jiddan, shukran. You can mute your mic now. Jazakallah khair. So let's have just one more person, a female this time around. Let's have a lady. Let's have Sister Halima. Bisura.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Ismi Halima. Ana Nigeriyata. Ana min Nigeria.
Ana Nigeriyatun.
Ana Nigerian.
Nigeria.
Ana min Nigeria.
Now just say Nigeria. Okay. Ana Nigeriyatun.
Okay. Ana Nigeriyatun. Ana min Nigeria.
Jamil Jiddan. So that is understood. Okay. So we have Sister Mutia Tishola. Now, Tafaddali Bisura. So introduce yourself to us in Arabic.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi. Now, Man anti? Man anti?
Ana Nigeria. Ana min Nigeria.
Ana min Nigeria. Naam. Ismi Mutia. Ana Nigeriyatun. Ana min Nigeria. Naam. So let's have Muyosuri Antonio. Tafaddal. بسرعة.
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام.
اسمي خليدة. أنا نيجيرية. أنا من نيجيريا.
أنا من Nigeria. Naam, Jamil. So we all know how to introduce ourselves. Basically, if we meet someone, you find yourself maybe in Hajj or anywhere, Arabic-speaking country, at least you can introduce yourself. It's me, Ibrahim. Ana Nigerian. Ana min Nigeria. So the more you speak, the better it becomes. Okay. We have just 2 minutes. Let's move on. التدريب الثاني تبادل الحوار مع زميلك كما في المثال. So you are also exchanging. تبادل means exchange. Okay. الحوار, the conversation مع زميلك, with your colleague كما في المثال. So we have an example here also. We have أخ, we have مدرس. So we are going to use these two words. أخ, مدرس. We already know the meaning of أخ, so I'm not going to translate. مدرس, we already know. Okay. نعم. هذا أخي. So the first person is saying, هذا أخي. This is my brother. أخي. Don't forget the ya, the possessive. هذا أخي. This is my brother. هو مدرس is a teacher. هذا أخي. هو مدرس is a teacher. هلا وسهلا. So this is simpler than the first one. So we're not going to have this. This is very simple. So what this says is that I'm going to say the same here. So instead of using هذا, I'm going to use هذه. هذه أختي. هذه أختي. Don't fall for it. It won't be هذا. It will be هذه أختي. Then instead of using هو, you use هي طبيبة. هي طبيبة. Okay? هي طبيبة. Don't fall for this. هذا أخي, masculine. هذا أخي. أخي هو مهندس. أهلا وسهلا. Then for أخت to be هذه أختي هي طبيبة أو هي طبيبة. Then هذا صديقي. هو مهندس. Okay. هذه صديقتي. هذه صديقتي. This is my female friend. هي طالبة. Then we have أخ. هذا أخي. هو طالب. Okay. نكتفي بهذا إن شاء الله. نقف هنا. واصل من هنا إن شاء الله. So we'll stop here. Try to revise as much as possible before we meet tomorrow. And inshallah, we'll continue from here. So we have a Darsul Al-Khamis, remainder of Darsul Al-Khamis. So you can see we are going to have a lengthy conversation tomorrow. You can practice. So this is quite lengthy and this as well. So we'll begin to speak Arabic gradually, okay? We made the first step today. You've been able to introduce yourself. So we'll move on from there, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.